Oh. We're not coming back, okay? That's the other good thing, right?
I don't know where the stairs are. All right, we're heading to the village. Now I'm losing the... All right. I don't see where the stairs are at all. I'm just... Whew. And we made it up. They said it was going to snow last night, but I didn't believe them. I said, you know what? It's probably going to be a... It did snow quite a bit. Oh, say 1.5 feet. Beautiful. Cars were stuck all over the highway today. And we says what? Coyotes in the area. Stay safe. All right. Looking out for coyotes in the city. My God. All right, here we are. Met some neighbors. I was hiking with them a bit. Wow, what a... Now, this is what I call a snowstorm. Snow is up to just under my knees at some sections. That was a good hike. Which way now? This way?
In trouble when you fall over.
This guy's digging his car out. You have to dig your car out before they plow you back in there.
I know, eh? It'll happen inevitably.
Nice turn here.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this car. That's pretty cool. A few more inches and this car is going to be gone. You can park for free. You won't get a ticket. Nobody can find your car.
Oh. My feet pronate, so something narrow. Oh.
Yeah, that's amazing. You really can drive here, unless you have a 4x4. The road is completely covered up, so you're walking right in the middle of it. Maybe do a shot. All right, one shot. I look like I'm walking. I was complaining we don't get any snow in Toronto, and my wish was granted. This guy's gonna BMW X3. I wonder if he can get out. You think he can get out with this?
Nope.
You're not gonna try it?
I thought it could.
You tried it and he didn't?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty deep. He's gonna get stuck underneath, but especially turning, huh?
Yeah.
And those are winter tires.
Huh?
No, it's a 3 feet of snow.
Right?
You could do it very slowly, but turning is a problem.
Yeah, so I'll just go straight.
Yeah, straight is. You got that traction control too, you know. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. That's gorgeous, though. Such a. It's beautiful.
It is beautiful.
If it like tomorrow is going to be a mess, you know, it's going to be black and dirty, but this looks like a Christmas card right here.
Yeah.
Send it to your friend. Whew. So let's see if we're approaching Bloor West Village, the village. All right. This is a side street, so it's a plumber. That's been there for a while. He just skidded in there, huh?
Oh, yeah. The plumber is
Yeah, you can see he just
oh my goodness.
he skidded right into their house, and they're like, that's it, I'm out of here. Wow, a rear wheel drive, look at this. Yeah, it's gone right in there. He's sleeping in the back probably. Van life.
No work for the plumber today.
Huh?
Well, if these guys have a problem, we can go.
Yeah. They got a permanent plumber outside their house. Yeah, look at this car. That's cool too. A little bit more snow and this guy's going to be gone. Oh, it's beautiful. That's what we keep telling ourselves. Look how deep it is. That's how deep. My socks are definitely going to get wet. Oh, we're back into civilization, finally. That bus, I don't know if it's going or not. No, it's not in service. Let's take a picture of this bus not in service. Most buses were stuck today in the city. Come on, come on. Come on, you can do it. That's a cool shot of the bus just by itself. In the craziness of the city. Wow, that's beautiful. A couple of shots. This is a cool shot looking down on Jane, and I'm walking down the street. Beautiful. Very nice, very nice. How often do you get to walk right down the street on Jane and Bloor? Not often, not often, not often. Okay, we gotta watch this guy slipping and sliding in the snow. Let's get out of their way just in case. If you're joining the channel for the first time, I do biking and walking in the city, but today we are skating. Amazing. 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 All right. Whew.
I think it'll be easier walking on Bloor.
Yeah, but that was an adventure. I like that.
That was an adventure.
Yeah.
Oh, I know. Wing loves an adventure.
Yeah, that was
fun.
good. Good job, Wayne.
Yeah.
Wing.
Wing, that's right.
That's a good job. That was a. I wouldn't have done that coming up. I looked at that hill and I said, follow this guy. He knows the place. That was good. Yeah. It's the same here. It's icy here too, but. Wow, look at that. I'm gonna take a couple of pictures here. Cool.
Oh, this is good. I think I can close up again.
Yeah, this is not bad. This is excellent. What a. This guy closed up. This used to be a diner.
Oh, I know. Easy to have to get by day.
Yeah, I just went there once. Had a coffee there. That's it. Thank you.
Oh, this has changed so much.
Wow, look at this bus. Oh, look at this bus.
Wow. That's kind of lucky.
Yeah, that's like, once they slide. In New York, all the buses, they put chains on them the night before.
Oh, look at that.
I mean, this guy, there's no way he's going to go anywhere in that bus.
Nope.
Are the tickets half price?
That's good as it was at first.
You stuck good, huh?
Huh?
You're stuck good.
I'm stuck, yeah.
Unless you have tire chains,
Huh?
Unless you have tire chains on your tire,
Oh, yeah, they should have better
Yeah.
tires. But
Otherwise, All right, see you. Good luck.
I got a picture of you pushing the bus.
Yeah, that's like that bus is going nowhere.
I got a picture of you pushing the bus.
Oh, these guys are open. Croissants and bakery. Oh la la.
Well, a lot of the stores didn't come in to begin with. Well,
Oh, thank you. The cake shop. Wonderful. Yeah, this is the lowest pilot on the sidewalks. This is going to be here for a while. Once you get a... Am I mic'd up? I don't know. Hopefully. Closed due to snowstorm. These guys decided to call it quits for the snow. They're like, screw it. Most of these stores are closed anyway. Most people are out though, hanging out because it's fun to walk in the snow. This guy's got all this stuff inside. It's open. The Asian markets are always open. They're never closed down. In New York, the Asian delivery guys are always running full time, even in the snow. Tobogganers to my right. Tobogganers. I don't know where they're going for toboggan. That's okay, I don't want to take your time. Oh my god, this is a bit of a truck. Bit of a truck. Johnny Capello's Salon. Definitely not open today. Salons are all closed on Mondays anyway. $84, $94. Oh, the ruckus. Whew.
84. And I never forgot it. It was so nice.
We're not letting you go, huh?
Learned about the army and everything.
You got the pants for it. Yeah, no, I remember in the 90s when I had my Forerunner, it was a big, they had to call in the army, and it was Mayor Lastman was the mayor, and everybody made fun of him.
Uh-huh.
And you know, it was big, lots of snow. This guy's closed. Ooh. Thank you. The sliding, the trekking. Wow, it's kind of deep. We're trekking in the mountains. Oh, thank you. She's got 2 coffees. She's ready to go. Yeah. Oh, this is a, what is this? Like, oh, this guy's got a lineup even in the snowstorm. Must be good. There's a lineup in the snowstorm. Everything's closed. These guys got the lineup. It's got to be good. They sell fresh meat, grass-fed, organic stuff. And the McDonald's closed right here.
Yeah, that was a good thing.
Can you imagine McDonald's closing? How is that? How did they come up with that idea? Nice seeing you.
You as well.
I'm gonna head this way a little bit and maybe take some pictures.
We'll leave it to you.
Okay.
Nice seeing you guys. See you later. Bye. Go ahead.
Thanks.
No problem. Here we are. All right. It was nice to meet some of the locals and chat with them and hike with them. I'm going to edit that piece in and out, just if there's personal information, we're going to get it out. So, FilmMission is back on a solo mission in the city. We're here. We're at No Frills. No Frills. The beginning portion of our hike was fun. Look at this. Look at this street. I want to do some general photography. That nothing works that way. Let's shoot a picture of this. That's cool. No frills in the snowstorm. Right, great. That's a cool shot of them walking, fighting the storm. All right. It's so quiet. Snow makes everything super quiet. Where's my microphone? Hope we can hear everything. That's a cool shot here too, that. Let's try to get this people. It's already getting icy here. People walking, so it's not smooth as on a ledge. So you constantly, your foot always slips either to the left or to the right. I don't know if the alcohol store is open or not, but see if this guy can make it. Oh yes, it's a 4x4. All right. This guy's helping her to the ambulance. All right, let's go. I don't know how far I want to hike on this. Try it. Thank you. Go a little bit further. Look at these guys. They got the coffee out. Drinking coffee. Beautiful.
It's close to the highway. Yeah. You can actually see the highway.
Beautiful. How about a shot here? Make sure I'm not blocking the sidewalk. Just that random shot of a car. We need a car in the shot because it makes it, you know, when you're looking at the picture in a couple of years, then you're like, oh, I remember. That must have been 2020 or something. Because the cars are usually, an average car is about 2 years old on the street. What do you think? Yeah, I think so. Average car, 2 years old. That guy coming in with an umbrella. That's not a bad shot. That you look cool with that. Thanks. That's a cool shot. A great shot of a snowman in an umbrella. Look at this. Look at this building. Craziness. Let's check out the prices here. $3 for each hour. And there's plenty of spaces to park. Keep going, keep going.
Thank you.
Good. Oh my God. That lady's holding her stomach too. And I don't think she was dressed that warm. She's saying, what the hell am I doing here? Hey. As soon as the snow hits the ground, people become at least 50% friendlier. Do you agree with me? Raise your hand up. Wait a minute. I can't see that. I can't not see you raising your hand up. That lady in front of me is barely walking there. You see it? Oh man. She's having a tough time. She's having a tough time. She's having a tough time. Oof. Oh man. Oh man. You okay?
Yeah, I'd love an arm just to,
Huh?
if you don't mind.
What do you need? You need?
Just an arm over.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, thank you. Wait, it's really bad.
Yeah. Just take small steps.
Yeah, is that better?
Yeah, just take small steps. Don't take big ones. Yeah, just wow, look at that one. I love this. This wind is crazy. Makes winter interesting. Small steps, that's good. Yeah, that's it. Where are you going shopping?
Oh, it's just, I might go to
Yeah, that's good. It's good for you.
Yeah,
It's good for you. Just take small steps. Just don't rush it. Good?
thank you very
No
much.
problem. Take care.
You too.
Just breathe in small steps. See? All right. FilmMission is on a rescue mission in the streets of Toronto, helping people across the Himalayan mountains of Toronto. Oh my God. Gee. Actually, I like it, but it's so slippery here. I like it better when it's big, heavy snow. She had a mask on too. Mask and glasses. I think the mask makes you breathe not as efficient when you have. This is very hard work when you have to walk in the snow. And putting a mask or a face shield on makes you hard to breathe. Not if you're just sitting around, forget about it, it's okay. But if you're huffing and puffing, you don't want to be putting a bandana or a, face shield. It's just like, skiing. When you go skiing on a downhill, you can put a mask on, whatever. But when you try to flat ski to the lift, when you overshoot the lift, that's one of my pet peeves about skiing. You come down, you're having a good time carving, and you miss the curve for the lift, right? You miss it, and you go like 10 meters beyond the lift, and it's usually downhill. And then you're like, should I go to the next? You have to go back, and you have to kind of do that penguin V-shit up the hill, or push yourself, and you're wearing ski suit and boots and this and this bandanas over your breathing. You can't breathe and all that kind of stuff. And the goggles get fogged up, and you're trying to go up the hill like 10 meters to the lift, right? And if you're not fit, it's a problem. I'm not a big fan of skiing. Just depends where you are. I mean, if you're in a good climate for skiing, like you get tons of snow and powder, yes. But Ontario, like west side of North America, there is zero skiing. It's all fake skiing, fake snow, fake hills, and just nasty, icy, bad weather. It's like, if you live in the eastern part of the city, the continent, I would quit skiing. Only the West Coast skiing is recommended by FilmMission. This is gorgeous. Should we cross? Why not? Let's do a cross the street on a random intersection. How's the cars coming in? This is Bloor Street, by the way. Cowboys. All right. Oh, snowshoe comes in so handy right now. Can't believe I sold my snowshoes. I should have kept my snowshoes. I sold them, and now look at this. A once in a lifetime experience in the city. Okay, we're gonna end the film here at this high park. See what's going on in there. Tons of snow in there. Tons of snow. All right. How's everybody doing? Here's a look back on this gorgeous. Yeah, snowshoes are pretty handy. They've snow, but they're still hard to walk in, but they're fun. Different kind of experience. All right, I'm gonna end the walk here. I'm gonna walk backwards and catch some street. Doesn't look as good as this. Let's end the film here. Thanks for watching. We're gonna start another film going backwards. Maybe include this and make it a second part. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next film.